this video, I want to give you 4 questions that you have to ask before you join any type of either an affiliate marketing program, some type of a MLM program, or anything about making money online. So let's get started. The first question you want to ask for whoever is inviting you to join the program is, what kind of results are you getting right now? Because anybody can invite you to join the program, but would you join someone who is not getting results at all? Probably not, right? So that's the first question I would ask. The second question I would ask is, what kind of results are your team members getting right now? And if they don't have they might be getting results themselves, but if they don't have team members that have already joined them to show you that they're getting results, that's probably something you want to reconsider. Because let me show you something. If you go here, and I've invited people to join my team multiple times, because when someone joins my team, as an example, as you can see here, Nate joined my team, and 1 hour ago he posted that he just made a $2,300 commission, and that came in just before he was going to bed last night. And there it is, $2,350, as you can see right there, with one sale. Here's another one of my team members, Justin, who posted this yesterday. He made a $2,050 commission, and obviously he's very happy. He says, "Hey, thanks, David. This is great." And as you can see, there he is, and there's the commission right there. And I could go on and on and on. So whoever is it that is inviting you to join their program, you want to look, whatever is it that they're trying to get you into. Example, here's another one of my team members. He made another $2,500, but that's a $2,000 commission actually, that basically was generated by leveraging my system and my affiliate marketing campaign. Here's Simon, another $2,000. So you want to basically, what I'm getting at is, whoever, let's say somebody tells you, "Hey, join my MLM or join my program or join my whatever is it that you're promoting," you want to first check that they're producing results. And if you ask me that question, as an example, my first 61 days with my latest affiliate marketing campaign, I was able to do over $103,000 in affiliate commissions. Second question, are my members generating results? You've just seen that right on the screen. Question number 3 that you have to ask. This is a must ask question, because otherwise, if you don't ask this question, you're not going to be able to really get the help that you need in order to get results with whatever it is that you're joining. So question number 3 is, what resources or bonuses do you provide me to help me get results? So as an example, if you ask me that question, my answer would be very simple. When you join my team in what I'm promoting, because I'm an affiliate, right? And if you want to be an affiliate marketing, doing any kind of affiliate marketing, we promote programs, right? So what I do is I've set up an affiliate marketing campaign that I give you access to it. Like, I literally give you the campaign. Same pages, same webinar presentation, same email follow-up, the whole thing. Not only do I let you use it, but I'm actually the one that's doing the follow-up on your behalf. And I even give bonuses on your behalf. And I set up a membership area on your behalf. So all the resources that you need are actually going to be just in the video description if you're interested in generating commissions with what I'm promoting, what my team members promote. And the last question, really important, okay? Even if somebody answers all the first questions correctly, you still want to ask this last question, which is, what is the most that I could earn by making a sale with this business? So let's say somebody is inviting you to join their program. They're generating sales and their team members are generating sales, but every commission is like $20, $15, $40. How many sales of that are you going to need to have a good month? You're going to need a lot. So what I like to see before I join anything is that the potential of generating a sale from the potential for commissions from a sale or multiple sales is high. So as an example, with my affiliate marketing campaign, it promotes 4 different programs actually for you, and you could actually earn up to, listen to this, $3,000 Actually, it's higher than that. Let me see. It's $4,000. Sorry. It's early in the morning. So $4,000 from a single sale from one customer. If they sign up to all the different programs, you can make up to $4,000 versus something you join and it's only able to generate you an $80 commission or $50 commission. So think about that. How fast would you be able to get to your goals if you already had a working campaign? You've seen other members do it. You've seen that it's working for multiple people. The team leader that's bringing you in is also generating insane results and they know what they're doing. And the ability to generate a commission is as high as $4,000 from a single customer. That's the kind of numbers I like to see. And those are the kind of questions I like to ask before I join anything. And those are the kind of questions you should ask. So in the event that you did ask those questions and you just got them answered by me and you want to look at what I'm doing, I'm actually hosting a few webinars this week where you can hop on them by clicking on the link just in the video description. And once you get there, I'm going to explain exactly how I'm generating these commissions and how my team members are generating these commissions and how you can potentially get plugged into this if we're the right fit, of course. Like, you can come to the webinar and check it out, because this is not for everyone. This is for people who are serious, first of all, about making big commissions, and secondly, that are willing to follow a few instructions, because I give you the best campaign in the world, in my opinion. But if you don't follow simple, clear instructions, if you don't do anything with it, it's not going to do much for you. And by the way, we're able to generate $2,000 commissions with 100% free traffic, even bigger than $2,000 commissions. That's just the initial commission. So one last thing that I want to mention is I'm running a giveaway right now, and you can win a 3-night hotel stay in sunny San Diego or one of the other tropical locations that I have. Not exactly tropical, but let's say warm locations that I have, just by entering the giveaway right down here below the video. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure before you enter the giveaway, you do need to be subscribed to the channel. So click the subscribe button, make sure to tick the bell icon, and hit the like on this video, and then enter the giveaway. And there's a winner every single day on the channel that wins a 3-night hotel stay, luxurious hotel stay, in one of the locations that I'm currently running. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and make sure to also check out the system that I'm currently using, the affiliate marketing campaign that me and my team members have been completely crushing it online with. So if you want to check it out, click the link below. Make sure to get on the webinar, see exactly how it works. There's only 3 very simple steps, and by the time you're done with the webinar, you should have all of them done. At least the first 2, which is watch the webinar and set up your different income streams, which is very easy to do. It takes less than 10 minutes. So I'll see you guys on the webinar this week. Click the link below, go check it out, and I'll give you everything you need to see to be able to generate up to $2,000 commissions with 100% free traffic. If nothing else, even if you're already in something, you should still attend this webinar just to learn the free traffic strategy that has personally made me, just in the first 61 days of leveraging this affiliate marketing campaign, over $103,000. So go ahead, check it out, and I'll see you there soon. Bye for now.